Jumping jacks. Let's start with one of the most effective full-body calorie burners you can do anywhere. Jumping jacks are a cardiovascular powerhouse that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously while elevating your heart rate rapidly. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs shoulder-width apart and raising your arms overhead until they nearly touch. Return to the starting position and repeat in a fluid, continuous motion. The key here is maintaining a steady rhythm without pausing between repetitions. What makes jumping jacks exceptional for weight loss is their ability to burn approximately 8 to 12 calories per minute, depending on your intensity and body weight. This exercise activates your calves, quadriceps, shoulders, and core muscles while improving cardiovascular endurance. For beginners, you can modify this by stepping side to side instead of jumping. For advanced exercisers, increase your speed or add a squat at the bottom of each repetition to maximize calorie burn. The metabolic boost from jumping jacks continues even after you've finished exercising, a phenomenon called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. This means your body continues burning calories at an elevated rate for hours after your workout. Burpees. If there's one exercise that fitness trainers unanimously agree burns maximum calories in minimum time, it's the burpee. This full-body movement combines strength training with high-intensity cardio, making it incredibly effective for weight loss. Start standing with feet hip-width apart. Drop into a squat position and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump or step your feet back into a plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back toward your hands. Explosively jump up with arms reaching overhead, then immediately transition into the next repetition. Burpees engage virtually every major muscle group, including your chest, arms, quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and core. A person weighing 155 pounds can burn approximately 10 calories per minute doing burpees at a moderate pace, and even more at higher intensities. This makes them one of the most time-efficient exercises for weight loss. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers deliver the cardiovascular benefits of running while adding core strengthening and upper body engagement. This dynamic exercise keeps your heart rate elevated while building functional strength throughout your entire body. Begin in a high plank position with hands directly under shoulders and body forming a straight line. Engage your core and drive your right knee toward your chest. Then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee forward while extending your right leg back. Continue alternating legs in a running motion while maintaining your plank position throughout. The constant switching motion requires significant energy expenditure, burning approximately 8 to 10 calories per minute. Mountain climbers primarily target your core, shoulders, and hip flexors while also engaging your quadriceps and cardiovascular system. The key to maximizing effectiveness is maintaining proper form with hips level and core engaged, rather than simply moving as fast as possible. High knees. High knees are a running-in-place variation that dramatically increases calorie burn through explosive lower body movement. This exercise is perfect for small spaces and requires no equipment while delivering impressive weight loss results. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Run in place while lifting your knees as high as possible, ideally bringing them to hip level or higher. Pump your arms in coordination with your legs, keeping your core engaged and maintaining an upright posture. Focus on quick, explosive movements that drive your knees up forcefully. This exercise can burn 8 to 12 calories per minute depending on intensity and primarily targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and core muscles. The rapid leg movement elevates your heart rate quickly, pushing you into fat-burning zones. High knees also improve running form, coordination, and cardiovascular endurance. Squat jumps. Squat jumps transform a classic strength exercise into a plyometric fat-burning machine. By adding explosive power to traditional squats, you dramatically increase calorie expenditure while building powerful, lean leg muscles. Start with feet shoulder-width apart and lower into a squat position by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, keeping your chest up and weight in your heels. From the bottom position, explosively jump straight up, extending through your hips, knees, and ankles. Land softly with bent knees, immediately lowering back into the squat position for the next repetition. Squat jumps can burn approximately 10 to 14 calories per minute and primarily work your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves while also engaging your core for stability. The explosive nature of this exercise creates both aerobic and anaerobic demands on your body, leading to significant calorie burn during and after exercise. Plank to downward. This flowing movement combines core strengthening with dynamic stretching and cardiovascular challenge. The transition between positions keeps your muscles engaged while elevating heart rate, making it surprisingly effective for weight loss. Begin in a high plank position with hands under shoulders and body in a straight line. Engage your core, then push your hips up and back, straightening your legs and arms to form an inverted V shape. Your body should create a peak with your hips as the highest point. Hold briefly, then lower back to plank position with control. This exercise burns approximately 5 to 7 calories per minute while strengthening your shoulders, core, arms, and legs. The constant transition between positions challenges your stability and endurance, keeping your heart rate elevated throughout. The downward dog portion also provides active recovery by stretching your hamstrings and calves while still maintaining muscular engagement. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are among the most effective core exercises that also contribute significantly to overall weight loss when performed at higher intensities. This rotational movement engages multiple abdominal muscles while keeping your heart rate elevated. Lie on your back with hands gently supporting your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and bring your knees to a tabletop position. Extend your right leg straight while rotating your torso to bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Switch sides, extending your left leg while bringing your left elbow toward your right knee. Continue alternating in a smooth, controlled pedaling motion. While primarily targeting your rectus abdominis and obliques, bicycle crunches performed at higher speeds with minimal rest can burn approximately 6 to 9 calories per minute. The key is maintaining constant movement and keeping your shoulders lifted throughout the exercise, which creates sustained muscular tension that increases calorie expenditure. Running in place with variations. Running in place might seem simple, but when performed with proper intensity and variations, it becomes one of the most accessible and effective weight loss exercises available. This exercise requires zero equipment and minimal space while delivering cardiovascular benefits comparable to outdoor running. Start with basic running in place, lifting your knees to a comfortable height while maintaining good posture. After 20 seconds, transition to butt kicks by bringing your heels up toward your glutes with each step. Then switch to high knees for 20 seconds, driving your knees up to hip level. Next, perform wide stance running, stepping your feet wider apart to engage your inner and outer thighs. This varied approach keeps your muscles guessing and prevents adaptation, which is crucial for continued weight loss progress. Running in place can burn 7 to 11 calories per minute depending on intensity and variations. The constant movement elevates your heart rate into fat-burning zones while engaging your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and core.